Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we are going to be trying out the SaunaBox SmartSteam Kit Pro. I'm really excited to try this out. We're also going to bring the cameras inside and show you exactly what it's like inside a SaunaBox. This video is a continuation of our previous video where we actually unboxed and we set up the SaunaBox. So if you want to see that video, I will leave a link in the description below. All right, we're gonna let the SaunaBox heat up and we'll check it out once it's all steamy in there. We'll give it about 10-15 minutes and hopefully it's ready. You can tell it's really steamy in there. The window's all steamed up. I think it's time that we head on in there and see what this sauna can do. Here we go. It's nice in here. Well, it read 96 when I got in here, so I had to step back out, and it did turn it up to level 7. That is the highest level on the heater. And I let it heat for a little while and I got in, and I let it heat for maybe 5 more minutes and then I got back in. And currently I'm reading about, can you see this? Currently I'm reading about 108 degrees Fahrenheit with a humidity of 81%. So let's keep on going and see what this can do. Always bring water. You're gonna want more than one water to bring enough water. Staying hydrated, that's the key. You don't want to dehydrate yourself. So I got the SaunaBox sweat towel right here. It's pretty good. I'll look around to see how it goes. I really like the floor mat, that's super nice. And I got the steamer positioned underneath, right down there under my chair. It's really important that you keep your feet and everything away from that. It will burn you. Yeah, it will burn you. That is hot steam coming out of there, and that is what heats this whole space. So it's not too bad in here. It's pretty roomy. I like the corner. I really like the corner design. I think that is solid, and I think that going forward I will be looking for corner models. I think that they fit better into our house and they're not so obtrusive. So definitely, I'll leave a link. I will leave links in the description below. Yep, we're cooking, and yeah, feels good. It's one of those things you gotta persevere through. So we're cooking. It's mighty hot now. And what temperature are we at? Probably the same temperature as when I got in. It's reading 106. I might have to get that checked. It feels very hot, and maybe I've just become acclimated and now I'm warm to the core. So we're cooking, and we're gonna keep on cooking, and it feels good. It's really important that you know your limits inside one of these things, and always check with your doctor to make sure that you're able before trying any product similar to this. And do read and follow the manufacturer directions. That's really important. There's a lot of things in there that you may not have thought about that they clearly have. So check into that, and we'll keep going. Bottle number 2. Cheers. is good stuff. I've noticed that quite a lot of my videos are all English, and I wanted to let you know that coming down the pipeline, we may be dabbling with some non-English video content. So hang on to your seats. That's going to be a whirlwind of vocabulary, and I'm sure you'll have a great time. So thank you. Apparently 14%, 12 to 14% of the US speaks Spanish or Espanol. So you're in for a treat, folks. That's going to be a great video. I'll tell you what. Well, I can tell I'm nearing my level, and knowing your level is the key. So it may not be too long for me. We'll see what the temperature says. Get another temperature reading for you. It's 108 degrees Fahrenheit and 87% humidity. So it's cooking. I'm not gonna try to calculate the feels like temperature there, but maybe some of you gurus could figure that out. And feel free to drop a comment below. If you are interested in this sauna, I think SaunaBox does a really nice product. I can't speak to their chair. I actually have a cedar bench here that I built. You'll see it in the setup video. That's down below. But my cedar bench, I love it. And it's just a little taller for me, and it feels great. So I know my limit, and my limit has been reached. And I think it's time for me to exit safely. So let's find that zipper now. One more thing. This window is Velcro. It does open. You just have to peel it back. Okay? And put it back when you're done. Whew. Cooking. It's hot. It's hot like you wouldn't believe. It's so hot in there. Oh, hey. How are you?
Good. Hey, how's your armpit?
It is very, very hot in there. SaunaBox got their sweat towel. That's cool. But unfortunately, I'm gonna need just a little bit larger of a towel. So there you have it, folks. Feel free, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I will try my best to answer those as soon as I can. And then what I like to do here, you gotta put a rug down. You're gonna be covered in sweat and moisture, and a towel or a rug is gonna help you from slipping. So be aware, even a towel may not stop that. It's hot. This is the cedar bench I was telling you guys about. I really like it, and it's nice. Let's go down here, and we are gonna shut this unit off. Hit the power button, and it will slowly turn off. You can already tell. Alrighty. And then I like to leave it open. If you have a fan, you can assist and ventilate. That would probably help too. I just would like to say as well, be careful with this thing. It's not a medical device. It says right in the owner's manual it's not. Know your limit. Even knowing your limit, you should probably take extra safety precautions. Have someone there. Have someone nearby. You never know. It is, you're subjecting yourself to quite a bit of an unnatural environment, so you're definitely going to want to take care of yourself first. You are the main priority, and how good of a sweat you get in your sauna, that's the second priority. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you could, please head over to our channel. We have a lot of great content there for you can check out. As well as if you could give us a thumbs up on this video, that helps YouTube to place us just a little bit higher. Thank you for watching. Take care and have a great day. Get the towel out of here. We'll put this into the laundry. It's all cleaned up. They did a good job, I must say. Really, really nice job on this. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed.